And today it is the 2nd of October 2020. Here is Kannistonkaarre 1 in
Kaarre
1 in Savio. Kerava,
Yeah.
modernized Hissit region in Finland. And this is interesting because the GIA buttons outside button panel was changed from the original ValmetSchlieren panel. Do you think maybe in the 1990s?
Yeah.
Probably sometime in the early 1990s. But inside, it's these buttons. But it could be also mid-1990s.
Yeah.
But they're in yellow in light, so I believe, actually 2003. And it was changed, it was actually modernized in 2003.
Yeah.
Built by ValmetSchlieren in 1970. Turning 50 years old this year in 2020. And it actually turned 15 years old in 2018. It's got nothing to do with the 1990s.
Yeah.
It was 2003. It was in 2003 when they changed the button panels.
Yeah.
I didn't really know GIA existed in the 2000s. I thought it was only in the 1990s.
Oh.
But these are the like Swedish type generic buttons.
Yeah.
They also used there in the 1990s and the early 2000s. And it's going to be inspected in next year, 2021. Kiinteistö in Nikkarin kruunu.
Yeah, but it's just it means all apartment buildings owned by Kerava town.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The serial number.
That's